Where are you going today?
I think school.
Today's Friday.
Okay, I don't have to go.
So where are you going?
I don't know.
Maybe a playgroup? Miss Kate's?
I don't know if I have...
I think you have Miss Kate's.
What do you mean, Miss Kate?
Miss Kate's. I think you're going to her house.
Oh, I thought you meant cakes.
No. That would be a fun playgroup. Keep coming. A little more. A few more shots. Oh, that's pretty. Don't smack yourself.
I know, I've been smacking myself.
How about the other side?
Once I did this to Sean, you didn't see it because you were at work.
What?
And I was like,
Oh,
why are you
boy.
hitting yourself, Sean?
Why are you hitting it?
No, he was doing it by himself.
Oh, he was?
Yeah.
Come this side over here. Yeah.
I'll be right back. I have to go potty.
Okay.